Pahoksa to join this wonderful opening ceremony with the Olympic torch lightning. I request all of you to kindly put your big hand together. Hokoluke jurere hat chapuri bojai. এই অনুষ্ঠানটোৰ অলিম্পিক শিখাৰ দৌৰত আগভাগ লোৱা আমাৰ খেলুৱৈসকলক উৎসাহ দিবলৈ আমি অনুৰোধ জনাওঁ। By Moromi Bormon, the women's team hockey player who played national hockey in Rajasthan. Please put your big hand together. Wonderful moment. Bongaigaon, Birchora High Secondary School field. National player in 1959, Mr. Mahesh Chaudhary. We also have Tapas Das, silver medal. All Assam 400 meters raced in 2003, who won gold medal. Bongaigaon team. তেখেতক এখনি ফুলাম গামোচাৰে সম্বোধনা জনাবলৈ আমি অনুৰোধ জনালো। আমাৰ মাজত আছে